Hey everyone, and welcome back. WooCommerce is free to install, but it's important to know its boundaries. In this video, I'll break down the real limits you need to know for 2025 so you can plan your store's growth. First, the core WooCommerce plugin itself is free and always will be. This lets you list products, manage orders, and accept payments. The first big limit is hosting. WooCommerce runs on your own web hosting. If you get a lot of traffic, you'll need to pay for better hosting plans to keep your site fast and online. Second, design and features. The free plugin gives you a basic store. For advanced designs, custom checkout fields, or special product types, you'll likely need paid themes or extensions. Third, payment gateways. While it supports free options like cash on delivery and bank transfer, popular gateways like Stripe or PayPal may have transaction fees or require their own paid extensions. Fourth, security and backups. Keeping your site secure and backed up is your responsibility. You may need to invest in security plugins and backup services. Fifth, performance. As your product catalog grows, you might need caching plugins, a seed, or a specialized WooCommerce hosting plan, which are often paid services. The key is to start free. But budget for costs as you scale in these 5 areas: hosting, design, payments, security, and performance. And that's it. Knowing these limits helps you build a sustainable business without unexpected surprises. If you've hit one of these limits, let me know which one in the comments. See you in the next one.